Hello guys, today I will upload the new video. This video will be very long video, at least 12 to 15 minute video will be uploaded by because this video is not purpose to make the suggestion. This video my purpose make the practice video. By my video anyone can practice, and if you want to, you have not any partner to practice, so you can upload, you can watch my video. By my video you can practice and you have a chance to improve English, and you will find to a partner for practice. So for practice, for upload the lecture, for making the lecture, we have to hold any topic. Which topic I will hold? If you will be tell, so I will can speak this topic. So I have not any topic, so I watched it today. I have watched a news. In this news, I watched the Gaza and Israel conflict. I daily watch the English news. By English news, my favorite English news channel, the first post. In the first post, I watched Gaza, in the Gaza, Israel doing the genocide. In the genocide, mostly killing only child, and Israeli armies cross the limit of humanity, and his behavior as a more worse than animals. So all Muslim countries why don't support to Gaza? Because everyone know Gaza in the trouble. Gaza is facing the problem. In the Gaza there is not food crisis. If you will be why the report of Al Jazeera, according to Al Jazeera, in the Gaza 90% child facing the food crisis and unnutrient. They have not any force to eating anything. They have not any roof for live. There is not any house for live. Why? But anyone watching only, not anyone want to support it. If any in the world there was a 56 Muslim countries. If all Muslim countries will support to Gaza, so Gaza can renew again as a developed and same as it is can be construct. But anyone will not support. Only anyone will laughing. So you can find any topic. Without any topic, you cannot speak English. For example, I am learning today on syllabus. What I am learn syllabus. What will I learn syllabus? I will share some routines. I will share some trips. So my routine ki that what was I learn, what I used to learn. This is very important for improvements English. For improve English, what is the important? In my opinion, there is not matter ki how many times you are learning the grammar rules. There is not anywhere use the grammar rules. I did not learn grammar rules. I only learn some special rules. For example, some advanced sentence. And I watch the video on the YouTube. I used to watch some podcast. I used to watch English news and English stories and English anything, any serial watch in the English. And second tools ki that what is the difficult way in the English speaking. When you will be try to speak English, so you will be face very difficulty. How you will be face this difficult? You should not demoralize. You don't demoralize. You don't give up. Go ahead and keep continue. Consistency is the more important for learning anything, for learning any new skills. When you will be learn any new skill, then you will be fail any difficulty. But if you will be cannot cross this difficulty, so you will not learn English. You will not learn any new skill. For learn new skill, you have to cross the limit. For example, my limit, I speak daily at least 5 to 10 minutes. But nowadays I want to improve sometimes. I want to practice at least 20 to 25 minutes daily. And can be I start practice at least 30 minutes. But I will start after some time, gradually improve, not directly you will be practice 30 minutes. You cannot do it. For improvements, for increase the capacity, we have to wait. Gradually I will improve English. So as of now, many childs ask from me, because I share some information how some childs ask me that how you are improving English. Tell me something new tricks, and tell me some important way, and tell me any YouTube channel name, which institute I will join. So I will share everyone ki there is not important ki that which institutes you are learning, how many times you are learning, how many times you are not learning. There is not matter. Only matter ki that how many focus you are learning. Focusly learn anything. Full focus, and you should pay hard work, and you should pay 100%. If you will be give the attention, then you can find the response. For finding the response, you have to hard work and make the task that I watch today some news and I will translate that news in the English. If you are sufficient to translate that news, if you realize that some vocab is tough, I cannot speak in the on English lecture, so you should write in the notebook, and write the notebook. After writing the notebooks, you memorize it. After memorize, use in the daily life, then your English will be pushed. So, and daily from ChatGPT. What is the important ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a AI chatbot, and this chatbot is a very helpful for improvements. You write the prompt of the ChatGPT that ChatGPT give me very use and frequently use vocab in the English speaking. Then ChatGPT will understand your capacity. After your capacity, ChatGPT will give response and vocab. And whoever vocab you cannot learn, so you can learn by ChatGPT, and you should note in the notebook and memorizing it. After memorizing, you realize that it is a very profitable for me. If I will learn it, so it will be very helpful for English learning. So don't matter that how many times you are learning. Only focus how many vocab you can build. And for English speaking, there is a only important vocab. And I want to share some journey of the English. I used to watch a news channel in the video. Every friend, every child, and some my neighbor make the my fun, my joke that what you are trying. Definitely you cannot speak English. So I ignored it. I give up. But you never give up to English speaking practice. Everything you can give up, but practice, hard work, continue. Go ahead. If you will be improve that time, everyone will appreciate that. I understand that man cannot do it, but they show to do it. So I will share a foreign. I have watched a Chhota Bheem in the English. I used to watch Motu Patlu in the English. I used to watch any serial, and I read the subtitle. From this I can learn any new vocab, and new vocab will be helpful for me. So my purpose ki that you are learning is a matter. From where you are learning don't matter, where you are learning it don't matter, but you are learning it is matter. So learning is very important. Without English you cannot this is the key of the success. I think English, any branch, when you will be learning, when you are doing any graduation in the college, you are a student, but English is the very important. Anywhere English is the very important. When I used to learn class 10th and class 11th English batch for achieve the high marks, then I realized that whoever cannot understand English, they cannot find the better video on the YouTube. And Hindi medium is a video available in the YouTube, Vidya Cool and many channels is available, but not better to Hindi English version. So English version is the most important, and English version content available in the market and very advanced content, not a normal content. But Hindi medium content available on the YouTube, but his quality is not better compared to English medium. So I prefer English to Hindi because English version is a very smart. If you will be watch CBSE pattern, child become so smart to UP board. Why? There is not matter anything. Syllabus is the equal. All syllabus Hindi to English is the equal. But CBSE board student opportunity give them many times chances, and his success way open very various way. But Hindi medium you and UP board childs cannot hit your target because his main problem is Hindi medium student English, and Hindi medium student understand that without grammar I cannot speak English. He focus tense. He was learning only sentence. He was learning only indirect, direct and direct, active passive and everything. His main target to how I can achieve. And in Hindi medium school, every teacher only used to read syllabus and memorizing. That they should not do hard work. For self profit, they suggest that remember it. If you will be remembered, teacher problem will be solved and your English will be not improve, and your focus that I memorizing. So memorizing is a wrong way. First I suggest you should learn concept. You should understand concept. By concept anything will be learned, so it will be very helpful for your life. It will be for long time. And if you will be memorizing anything, after some time you will be forget. So my video timing duration have completed, so I want to close this video. I will upload the next video after some time. If anyone want to learn with me, so can join my channel, and if you will be join my channel, my confidence level will be boost, my confidence level will be increased. So if from me become the any mistake, so I apologize. Please ignore it, and you please support my channel and like and subscribe for my confidence. If you will be subscribed, so my confidence will be boost, and my uploading video and my heart will give permission that everyone supporting to you, please upload the new video. And my purpose that you how you can improve English. My purpose only give the practice way, not my purpose that my video will be viral. My purpose only how you can improve English. If you want to improve English, so you can join me and I will improve English with me and along you. So nice to meet you guys. Next video I will meet you. So goodbye. If become the any mistake, if happen any mistake, so please apologize. Nice to meet you. In the new video I will meet. Goodbye. Goodbye. In the next video I will meet. So I will close this video. Next video you can talk with me. Okay, well done.